Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple yet incredibly useful feature on Telegram: how to view shared audio files in a group on your PC. With the latest update, accessing these files has never been easier. Follow along as we go through the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from Telegram's official website. Once installed, log into your account and you're ready to begin. Next, locate the group where the audio files are shared. You can either scroll through your list of chats or use the search bar at the top to find the group quickly. Once you've found it, click on the group to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the chat window for the group's name. Click on it to open the group's contact info. This section provides details about the group, including its members and shared media. Here's where it gets exciting. In the contact info menu, you'll see several options like photos, videos, and files. Look for the section labeled Audio Files and click on it. This is where all shared audio files within that group are neatly organized for easy access. As you browse through the list of audio files, you can select any file to play or download directly onto your PC. This feature is especially helpful when searching for specific recordings or music shared in large groups. To recap, open Telegram on your PC, find and enter the desired group, click on its name to access contact info, and select Audio Files to view all shared audio content. In just a few clicks, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped you, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful. Happy exploring.